via telecommunication, media. When you are sitting or is the best thing, is the more powerful thing. They are just
Samla Pule ka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homoeopathy NEIAH ka badan Mawdiangdiang Shillong kila pynlong ka jingshah thngan khlem sngi ka sdang naduh hynne ka sngi Palei. Iakhih ka jingiakhih la pynlong halor ka jingshah pynduh stipend ki Samla Pule postgraduate ka iaid mynta la palat snem tam. Nalor kane ki wei pat kinong rim ki dei namar ka jingslam ban pinyo jing itu na ka school ba nehu pat ka jingbam don guide ni nong yarap ki Samla Pule kat kum ki kindon ka National Commission for Homoeopathy. Prangut ki samla kentai kentup sangut nagatuk Pule North East category but sangut nagatuk All India category. Kila shim ka senjam ban pynlong ye ka jingshah thngan khlem sngi.
आप इस बात से समझ सकते हैं कि उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा 48 घंटे तक जब तक हम लोग
Kiwe ki samla Pule ke yasno akti lang hagani ka jingiakhih but sinran ye ki basha thngan da ka bashong klan mungor hakmat ka office ka director ka NEIAH. Ki samla Pule ke thu ba naduh ubna ya yong le de ban pha bontli ki jingtho but dorkhas shaka office ka director ka NEIAH hynne hadu mynta kamshmla don kanu ka sinjam ban pin urlong ye ki jingdawa.
We have 3 grievances. First is they have not disbursed our stipend since 1 year, so we want our payment because we have worked 1 year hard here in hospital and we are not paid yet. First grievances is this. Second is we are not yet affiliated from the NEIAH as said by in the institute that they are affiliated by NEIAH, but they are not. And the third is they have not allotted guide to us. According to NCH norms, they have to allot us guide. They have not yet allotted. These are the 3 grievances for which we are here. Since April we are pursuing them. We have written letters. We have the receivings of that applications and all. Last time September when we are holding protest, so director came and he reassured about 2 months. He said in 2 months we will get the affiliation and you will get the stipend also. But till date it's been more than 2 months, 2.5 months. Yet we are not getting any stipend and any affiliation yet.
This is for your PG?
Yeah, this is for MD Homeopathy.
Has there been any previous years there was no MD?
No, this is the first batch of our, and there is no second batch. This is the also uncertainty. We are uncertain about our future because there is no next batch admission. So we are the first and we don't know we may be the last batch here. We are 8 of us.